2 crores 60 I have with the Rajasthan Royals at 2 crores 60. At 2 crores 60 now with the Royals at 2 crore and 60 lakh. Anybody taking me on? Thank you. Welcome KKR, 2 crore 80. At 2 crore 80, welcome Kolkata. At 2 crore and 80 lakh on my right. Ahead of the Royals at 2 crore 80. With the Knight Riders. 3 crore it is. Thank you. Up front at 3 with the Royals at 3 crore now. At 320 we go back to Kolkata. At 3 crore 20. 340, thank you sir. With the Royals at 3 crore 40. 360 say the Knight Riders. 380 say the Royals. 4 crore it is for KKR. 420 back to Rajasthan. 440 KKR. 460 thank you sir. Rajasthan Royals. 480 back to KKR. 5 crore round up the Royals. 520 say KKR. And 540 for the Royals. 560 KKR. 580 Rajasthan. 6 crore it is for Kolkata. 620 for the Royals. 640. 660 for the Royals. 680 Kolkata. 7 crore with the Royals. 720 say Kolkata. 740 for the Royals. 760 and 80. 780. Ahead of you Kolkata. 780. 8 crore back with the Knight Riders. 820 with the Royals. 840 KKR. 860 Royals. 880 say Kolkata. 9 crore say Rajasthan. 920 Kolkata. 9 crore 40 for the Royals. 9 crore 60. 9 crore 80 with the Royals. 10 crore back with Kolkata. At 10 crore. 10-20 राजस्थान रॉयल्स
10 करोड़ तक तो पहुंच ही गए। मुझे लगता है अभी तो सीएसके भी आना है।
10 crore 60 राजस्थान रॉयल्स. 1080 for the Knight Riders. 11 crore राजस्थान.
राजस्थान के पास ऑलराउंडर आ चुके हैं दो। पहले एक प्रॉब्लम था कि आपके पास ऑलराउंडर नहीं थे। रविंद्र जडेजा है, सैम करन है, उसके बावजूद भी बिडिंग चल रही है। इनके पास सिर्फ 16 करोड़ है। क्या सोच है इसके पीछे, ये थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। मुश्किल है लेकिन समझना।
12 crore कोलकाता rounded up. Up 12 crore and 20. 12 crore 20 say Rajasthan. 1240 say Kolkata. $12.60, thank you, sir. At $12.60, Rajasthan Royals at $12.60. $12.80, back with Kolkata now. At 12 crore 80, ahead of you Royals. 13 crore it is, thank you. 13 crore with the Royals, 1320 goes back to the Knight Riders. Crore 20 with the Knight Riders. Rajasthan asks for a moment to think. 1340, they come back positive. 1360 for the Knight Riders. $13 crore 60 with the Knight Riders. Good. Rajasthan in conversation. Done. 13 crore 60. The Royals are out with the Kolkata Knight Riders now at 13 crore and 60 lakh for Cameron Green so far. Do we have any other team? Welcome Chennai, 1380. Welcome to the fray. Chennai Super Kings at 1380. Ahead of you now, Kolkata. 14 crore, say Kolkata. 1420, CSK. 1440 for KKR. 1460, Chennai. 1480, Kolkata. 15 crore, CSK. 1520, back with the Knight Riders. 1540, say
15
CSK.
करोड़ का बैरियर पार हो गया है, लेकिन अभी तो ये बिडिंग वॉर दो सबसे ज्यादा राशि लेके जो टीम्स उतरी हैं शुरू हुई हैं.
1560, Knight Riders. 1580, thank you, sir. Chennai Super Kings at 1580. 16 crore, thank you, sir, from Kolkata at 16 crore. 1620, CSK. 1640, KKR comes back. 1660 for CSK. 1680, thank you, KKR. 17 crore, Chennai Super Kings at 17 crore now. 1720 for Kolkata. And 40, 1740, straight back from Chennai. 1760, say the Knight Riders. 1780, thank you, sir, Chennai Super Kings. 1780, bid with them. 18 crore with KKR at 18 crore.
18 करोड़ पे बिड पहुंच गई है और इससे ज्यादा बिड चाहे जितनी भी जाए कैमरन ग्रीन के खाते में 18 करोड़ ही आएंगे. अब जितनी ऊपर बिड जाएगी वो पैसा जाएगा प्लेयर्स वेलफेयर फंड में.
1840 KKR. 1860, thank you, sir. CSK 1860. 1880 KKR. And 19 crore with CSK. Sure, take a second. We've come a long way. $19 crore, Kolkata is thinking. 1920, they say yes. At 1920 now, Kolkata bids. Sure, CSK takes a second.
चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स ने अपने पूरे आईपीएल इतिहास में इतनी बड़ी बोली किसी खिलाड़ी के लिए कभी नहीं लगाई है.
1960. The Knight Riders are still in at 1960. 1980 from the Super Kings. 20 crore on my right. Kolkata's bid at 20. 20 crore and 20 lakhs, say CSK. 2040. 20 crore and 40 lakh on my right. 2060 with CSK. 2080 for Kolkata. And 21 crore is Chennai Super Kings. $21.20. KKR stays in at 21.20. Yes, take a second. Chennai's asked for a brief thinking moment. At 21 crore and 20 lakh with Kolkata. 21 crore 40. Thank you. That decision was quick. CSK is in at 21.40. 21 crore 60. Say Kolkata. 21 crore 80, back with CSK. And 22 crore is the Kolkata Knight Riders bid. 22 crore and 20 lakh for CSK. 22 crore and 40 lakh for the Knight Riders. 2260 for CSK. 22 crore 80 lakh for KKR. And 23 crore is for the Chennai Super Kings. At 23 crore. 23 crore and 20 lakh, say Kolkata. 2340, says Chennai. 23 crore and 60 lakh for Kolkata. 23 crore and 80 lakh for Chennai. And 24 crore, Kolkata rounds it up. CSK asks for a moment. That was quick, 24-20. CSK comes right back. $24.40. Thank you, Kolkata. 24.60 for the Super Kings. 24.60. 24.80 for the Knight Riders.
टाटा आईपीएल के ऑक्शन इतिहास में सबसे महंगे विदेशी खिलाड़ी अब तक थे स्टार्क 24 करोड़ 75 लाख अब रहेंगे कैमरन ग्रीन हिस्ट्री हैज ऑलरेडी बीन मेड
25 crore Kolkata thinks 25-20, thank you, sir. Kolkata's in the 25-20. Done. At 25 crore and 20 lakh, Chennai is out. The bid is on my right with the Kolkata Knight Riders at 25 crore and 20 lakh. At 25 crore and 20 lakh with the Knight Riders. All done. Last chance for anybody else. All through and selling then if everyone's completely sure. Cameron Green to the Kolkata Knight Riders at 25 crore and 20 lakh. Congratulations.
ग्रीन इज पर्पल टाटा आईपीएल इतिहास के सबसे महंगे विदेशी खिलाड़ी कैमरन ग्रीन खेलेंगे कोलकाता के नाइट्स के लिए